Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you our new Butterflies mini kit. It is our very last kit for 2020 and it is absolutely gorgeous. I think we saved the best for last, so let me show you what's in the kit. So of course you've got the beautiful butterfly stamp and there's also this cute little flower in there which you can use as well. So all the butterflies, all different sizes and shapes that you can colour. There is this cute little laser cut which says happy birthday if you want to use those, and it's got a gorgeous little frame. These are the little mini papers that come in the kit. Some greens and purples this month is the colour scheme. Some stripes. So these are sweet, just little papers to use as your backing. And this is the little mini cutter part, and these ones here, these beautiful sayings, work with die number 5, essential die number 5, and there's some little squares you can cut out as well. This is the inspiration book, some of the cute little butterflies. We have an add-on stencil this month, I should show you. This is a stencil that you can add on, not a die. So yeah, we decided we better keep the cost down for you guys in December. See the cute little masking of that little flower in the back? Or I'm not sure you can see it on the camera. That's the laser cut frame. Cute little colours in that one. I love it. So lots of cute little backgrounds and cards the girls have made with these stamps. So this one is available today on the 20th, and we are still here on the 21st and 22nd to ship this out to you. I'll just show you a couple more of the cute little cards. I love this little blue theme here, and that's our bunch stamp, our floral bunch stamp in the background. Goes perfectly with that. And I love the different ombre in the back of that one. I think I showed you all the others. So lots of beautiful cards. So yeah, it will ship out to you. Cute little mini kit if you're looking for an activity during the holidays. I know the kids would love to colour and stamp this one as well. It is $27 for the kit, and it is available now on the website. Thanks guys, till next year for the next kit launch. It's Tracy, bye.